All right, Western Sky travelers, I'm your host, Alex Sinclair. Today is August 26th, 2019, and it's a little bit before 7 p.m. in the evening, and I'm going to start this tour of Salmon Lake State Park by showing you the some of the parking lot area, and then there are 2 trash bins down there and even more parking lot space farther behind them. So it's just a really nice site because there are amenities, like there are some toilets, there's an informational board, and they have a couple of these really nice picnic tables that are covered so you can get out of the shade or wind or snow if you're here in the winter. And then there's another parking lot with yet another parking lot below it for vehicles and trailers. And there are plenty of picnic tables here. The concrete dock is actually the largest one that I've seen yet at any of these parks, and it could easily accommodate 2 vehicles with trailers side by side. It's that wide. You can't really tell it from this view, but once you're down there on it, it's a very wide ramp. And then there's the boat dock. And then right off to the left out of the frame is another inlet area for Salmon Lake. It's not a very large inlet, but the lake does go back over there to the left. And now I'm going to swing around, and you're going to have some blinding sun on the water. There we go. I'll get out of that. And it might be hard to see in the video, but Salmon Lake actually extends farther back, kind of in the center of the frame, but much farther back. So it's a sizable lake with plenty of opportunity to boat around or kayak or canoe or stand-up paddleboard. There's just a lot of room here and a lot of different places, that you could get out of the vessel and just have a picnic on a beach and enjoy it. And one thing to note is that Salmon Lake State Park is very easily accessible. It is right off of Montana Highway 83, and it's located just a few miles south of the town of Seeley Lake, Montana. There's a really nice beach area here, and it's a very decent size. So if you have kids or dogs, then there's really quite a lot of room for them to play on or to set up, tables, coolers, have a picnic here, and just really, really enjoy your day at the lake. I'll try to back up just a little bit so you can see more of that beach area. It's pretty, there's some rocks in it, but it's decently fine grain rocks and some sand. And again, just a lot of picnic tables, very well positioned, so you could sit down and have a lunch or enjoy your coffee. This would actually, even if you didn't spend an entire day here, this would just be a really nice place to stop on your travels, going north or south on Highway 83. So if your destination is Big Fork, or you're going the other way and your destination is Missoula, and you just need a quick break, then this is a really fantastic place to just pull off and enjoy some time. Okay, Western Sky travelers, that is it for your tour of the Salmon Lake State Park. And next up, I will be going to the Blackfoot River.